Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to save locations using Waze, whether it's your current spot or a specific place you want to remember. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, if you want to save your current location, click the circle icon on the left side of your screen. This icon represents your current position and gives you quick access to location-specific options. Once you tap it, you'll see an arrow indicating your exact current location on the map. Go ahead and click on that arrow to open up more details about where you are right now. After clicking the arrow, you'll notice an information icon appears. Click on this information icon to access additional options for this location. This is where you can view more details and manage how Waze handles this particular spot. Now that you're in the location details, you'll see a save option. Click save to store this location in your Waze favorites. This makes it incredibly easy to navigate back to this exact spot in the future without having to search for it or remember the address. After clicking save, simply click done to confirm and finalize the process. Your current location is now safely stored in your Waze app. Now, if you want to save a specific location instead of your current one, the process is just as straightforward. Start by using the search function to look up the location you want to save. This could be a restaurant, friend's house, workplace, or any place you might need to visit later. Type in the address or name of the location and select it from the search results. Once the location appears on your screen, you'll see a save button right there. Click save to add this location to your saved places. This feature is particularly useful for locations you visit frequently or places you're planning to go to in the future. After clicking save, click done to complete the process. The location is now stored in your Waze app and you can access it anytime you need to navigate there, and that's it. You've now learned how to save both your current location and any specific location using Waze, making your navigation much more convenient. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.